If there's one thing we all need to remember about password security, it's that passwords should be long and unique across all your accounts. Okay, technically that's two things, but the point still stands. To protect your accounts and data, using a strong, non-repeated password for every account is the clear best practice. Easier said than done though. If you're like me, you probably have upwards of 50 accounts at least, each needing its own strong password. Remembering a unique, complex password for every single one, nearly impossible without hitting that forgot password button every other time you log in. That's where a password manager comes in. So what exactly is a password manager? At its core, a password manager is a secure application that does the hard work for you. It generates strong, unique passwords for every account you have and stores them all in one place, often called a vault. What makes password managers so valuable is the combination of convenience and security they offer. Instead of choosing between a password you can remember and one that's actually strong, a password manager gives you both by creating secure, unique passwords, so you never have to reuse the same one or keep track of endless variations. Your vault holds everything, and the only key to that vault is your master password. That's the one password you do need to remember, so you should make it as strong as you possibly can. Think long, think complex, think something no one else could guess or piece together. Some password managers integrate with your company's existing single sign-on identity provider, meaning you can bypass the master password and use your organization's primary account credentials. Many password managers also require multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection so that even if your master password is compromised, your vault stays locked. The result? Dozens or even hundreds of strong, unique passwords across all your accounts, secured behind a single fortress-level login. If you already have a password manager, make sure you're using it for every account you access. If your password manager offers a browser extension, be sure to enable it, which can detect if you're on a valid login page and either autofill your login details for accounts you've already stored in your vault or create and store passwords for any new accounts in your vault. If you don't have a password manager yet, now is the time to strongly consider one. Reach out to your supervisor or IT provider today and ask about getting one set up. It's one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take to protect yourself and your organization.